Napaka-peaceful. Morning guys. Actually, naglalakad lang ako from my dorm going to the campus kasi malapit lang siya.
What I'm wearing today is our white uniform. For YL1, itong usually sinusuot namin inside the College of Medicine building, except for cadaver laboratory sessions that require scrubs.
I'm walking around campus. So makita nyo naman, one of the things na I really love about Salle is its environment. Kasi punong-puno ng greens. Napaka-peaceful. Look at that. Guys. Going to the library. So ngayon papunta ako sa library to study for my upcoming exam next week. Yeah.
Recently, one of my favorite places to study is here in the Learning Commons. Extension ito ng library building and open ito until 10 PM every weekdays. I prefer to study here kasi bukod sa very conducive ang environment nito for learning, I also get to see other students studying and it pushes me to do the same, especially as a current scholar here sa DLSM-HSI. For context, I am an entrance scholar since I graduated with Latin honors in college. Automatic scholarship ito for students with honors.
I'm done for today. Let's go home. Mahangin. Bye. Morning guys. So papunta na ako ngayon sa class. So ito yung magiging last cadaver lab namin. Ayan. Sa buong year level 1. So let's go. Kaya naka-scrubs ako. Yeah. Pasok na ako ng CM building and going to the lab. And dito kami nag-lecture mga auditorium. Punta ko elevator kasi sa 5th floor siya. Yeah, let's go guys.
Hindi tayo magvi-video inside the lab to pay respect to the cadavers which were donated for our learning. Ngayon, my groupmates and I are heading to Learning Commons A for a quick meeting. In terms of extracurriculars and student life, I can say that DLSM-HSI molds us to become holistic doctors, since the institution provides opportunities for us to grow by interacting with different people, joining organizations, and participating in outreach activities, talent shows, and even sports fests.
Papunta na kaming Cafe Verde to grab some snacks after the meeting.
So far, I am lucky to be surrounded by great and kind people in med school. Knowing na studying medicine is hard na, having a good support system makes it lighter.
And ano kayo bibiling ko? Ang dami. Daming food.
Yung mga kwentuhan after class and eat-outs after exams makes the journey in med school worthwhile. It will remind you that you are not alone in this battle.
I'm with my group mates again.
Paano mag-add na?
We usually conduct our lectures and consultations in this auditorium, which has a capacity of 300 students.
And I'm done for today. Kakatapos na ng class namin. Ayan. Thank you guys. Bye!